In primetime news this evening, COVID and children, the impact of the pandemic on primary school students, front row seat to murders. Cops concerned a delay in face-to-face school may be more detrimental than believed. And justice delayed. Rastafarian groups demand update on recent cases of alleged abuse of members. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what can the Reggae Boys do differently to improve their performance against Costa Rica? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.